तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Let's take a 3 breaths. Long breaths we'll take.
Hi, I'm Brad Callen, and in this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can quickly and easily create doodle videos, just like the one you're watching right now, using Doodly, our drag and drop doodle software that allows anyone, regardless of tech skills, to
Breathe in with 7 counting. Hold for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Hold for 7 seconds. Breathe out. Now we'll do pranic breathing as we did yesterday. Pranic breathing is a breathing which gives you prana in the body. And prana means कितने से कितना बीमार भी इंसान हो, जिसमें स्ट्रेंथ ना हो, जान ना हो, उसके लिए प्राणिक ब्रीदिंग सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है. तो प्राणिक ब्रीदिंग हम कैसे करते हैं? When we breathe in, we take the counting as 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We hold it for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we breathe out with 7 countings. When we breathe in, we'll make sure कि हमारा stomach बाहर आना चाहिए. Normally हम जो breathe करते हैं, we breathe with our lungs. And when we do this pranic breathing, we do breathing with our stomach, which gives prana to our body. और अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा होगा तो you can lie down. जब आप लेट जाते हो तो आपकी breathing stomach से होती है. जब आप बैठते हो, चलते हो तो आपकी breathing lungs से होती है. जब आप देखोगे एक छोटा बच्चा जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबी होता है, वो सब ब्रीदिंग स्टमक से करते हैं. So they don't breathe from lungs. So it is a very good breathing and very good exercise. So let us do this exercise and we'll do it for 7 cycles, right? कल हमने 4 करा था, आज हम 7 करेंगे because it is a very good exercise. And slowly, steadily we'll increase it on. Okay? So let us start. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Are you able to do that? Can you put me in the chat box? कुछ starting में कुछ हो सकता है, but it is a very beautiful exercise और इसको प्राणिक ब्रीदिंग कहते हैं. कोई बीमार से बीमार बंदा हो, कभी आपको लगे कि आप में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, do it for at least 6 to 7 cycles. This is a complete cycle. जब आप breathe in करते हो, your stomach should be out. And with 7 counting, you take the breath, then you pause for 7 seconds, and then you breathe out. It's a beautiful exercise. It activates each and every cell, organ, system, everything. Very, very powerful. Great. So next activity is to start with the gratitude. I hope everybody has got the copies with you. Take out your gratitude copies and we can start the gratitude. I'll just create with you. Just whenever you are doing gratitude, whenever you're doing all these things, just make sure that you do with that intention that this is happening, right? So let us start with it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. I'm so grateful for this new day. I'm so blessed for this new life. I'm so blessed for this new moment. I'm so blessed and grateful that this new morning is there to make me, to transform me into a better version of myself. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. I'm so grateful to my wonderful parents who gave me the best education, the best values, and they have done so many sacrifices for me to make me successful, to give me values. And what I am today is because of them. I love you, my parents. I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom. Thank you for making me such a wonderful person. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. Thank you so much, my parents. And just imagine they are there, they are standing right in front of you. You have got the opportunity to touch their feet. You have the opportunity to show them the gratitude which you have never shown. Just show that and take blessings from him. And just make sure as if they are alive or they are not, just make sure that you are taking blessings. Just imagine they are just standing in front of you and they are hugging you and they are blessing you. And it's I humbly request you to spend some time with your parents because they are the ones, because of them you are here. Each and every cell, organ, everything is created by them only. Just let's show gratitude to them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful siblings. Thank you as they love me, support me. They're always there for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for my life partner who is very important person in my life. He loves me, respects me, takes care of me, and he's always there in all the seasons of my life. I love my partner. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being into my life, for making my life so wonderful, so comfortable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed and grateful to all my teachers, all gurus, all mentors for providing me the best education, best direction, best wisdom, and making me who I am today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to this beautiful, sweet home where I get all the meals, all the facilities, all the comfort things, and I am having a comfortable lifestyle. I thank you. Everything you can thank your AC, refrigerator, furniture, rooms. You can thank anything that you really want to thank on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful for the perfect health that I have. I thank you, each and every cell of my body. I thank each and every organ of my body. I thank each and every system of your body. They are functioning perfectly fine. I just love my body. I love my body. I love my body. It is perfectly fit, strong, active, and energetic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to all my failures, all my challenges, all my hurdles that makes me more strong, which gives me lessons every day, every moment. And it is okay to get challenged. It is okay to be failures. Don't get scared of it. Just embrace your failures. They teach you a wonderful lesson every time and they grow you every time. You love them, you love them, you love them. I'm so blessed and grateful to my success and the achievements. Appreciate your small achievements. Success is about satisfaction, helping others in their task, spending time with your loved ones, supporting your parents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful that I can forgive people. I have the capability to do that. And I'm getting the opportunity to forgive people today. Let's forgive जितने लोगों को भी अगर आपके मन में कोई भी grudges किसी के लिए कुछ है, this is the right moment to just forgive those people. Just and make yourself lighter. There should not be any grudges about anybody. Just bless them. They need more blessings than anybody else. Just bless them. And there is no point having grudges about them. Have a big heart and send them lots of love and lots of happiness their way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm one with God and God is one with me. I'm so blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, what we can do is take out your diaries and start writing the gratitude that you have to write on 10 statements. And then we can proceed with our self-love. You can write down any of the gratitude statements other than this, or you can include few gratitude statements which we have created right now. Once you complete it, just write down done. Okay, great. Done. So let's start. Can we have a mirror, or you can just put yourself on in front of the screen. It is better to have a little mirror. Done. So let us start with it. So just give high five to yourself. High five. I love you. I love you. Just give high five to yourself. I love you. I am amazing and awesome. I am amazing and awesome. I am the greatest. I am the greatest. I am the greatest. I am freaking awesome. I am freaking awesome. I am freaking awesome. I am fearless and powerful. I am fearless and powerful. I am world class. I am world class. I am world class. I am always truthful, positive, and helping others. I am always truthful, positive, and helping others. I am always truthful, positive, and helping others. I can do anything through God and universe who strengthens me. I can do anything through God and universe who strengthens me. I can do anything through God and universe who strengthens me. I am the best. I am the best. And when you say I am the best, I would say just put these 3 fingers together and put it on your Agya Chakra and just say, I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. When you do this, you are telling each and every cell, organ, system of your body that you are the best. Within 10 days, you will see the difference in you. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you present, everything with the best. It will be beyond compare, when you do this. Great. Yes, 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 yes. I am the best. And now, look into the mirror, look into the eyes and just say, I love you. And take your name, say, Monica, I love you. Take your name and say, I love you. Take your name and say, I love you. I hug you. I embrace you. I love you the way you are. You are not. I love you the way you are. You are not. I just love you. I love your forehead. I love your eyebrows. I love your eyes. I love your cheeks. I love your nose. I love your lips. I love your smile. I love your face. Wow, what a beautiful face I have. I love my neck. I love my ears. Wow, I'm so beautiful. I'm so beautiful. I love you. I'm world class. I can do anything. I am a genius. I'm a supercomputer. My brain is superb. I love myself. I love it. Whatever I do, it will be the best the whole day. Whatever I do, because I'm a genius, I'm an extraordinary personality, I can do anything. I love you. I love you. Show kisses. Just love yourself and embrace yourself. Love each and every cell of your body. Love each and every organ of your body. It is perfectly healthy and fine. And if you have any pain in your body, just tell that organ that you are superb. You are functionally perfectly fine. I love you. And imagine yourself that you are in the mountains. Imagine yourself and just you're enjoying the air and the mountains, the fresh air that is there, and you are the best. You are perfectly fine and you are just enjoying the weather over there. Beautiful flowers, beautiful mountains, clouds. Just love yourself. Just each and every cell of your body is breathing in that beautiful air. Wow, what a weather. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm embracing myself. I'm hugging myself. I am the one who can do anything on this earth. I am world class. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for creating me. I'm such wonderful personality on this earth. I can do anything. And thank you for giving me the potentials. Thank you for giving me the capabilities. Thank you for giving me all the skills that I have. I'm proud of my skills. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now open your eyes and appreciate yourself and give a rose to yourself as you're proposing yourself. आप अपने आप को प्रपोज करो that I love you. और सोचो आपकी अपने से शादी हो गई है. It is such a beautiful thing. You become your own partner. I don't know how many of you do this, but I always do that, which helps me in doing it. Whenever I'm doing some work, मुझे कई लोग पागल भी कहते हैं कई बार इस मामले में. Whenever I'm doing something, I talk to myself. So you talk to your higher version of yourself. Always remember, there is a person existing which you really want to become. आप चाहते हो कि मैं ऐसा बनूं. You create your version and you talk to yourself. And that version will definitely guide you time to time. Whenever you ask that person, you will get guidance from them. And when you are showing that flower in front of the mirror, imagine that higher version is there right in the mirror and you are giving flower to it. And just be one with that personality because it is there. The only difference is you have to raise your vibrations to meet that person in the mirror. That is the highest version and you are the one. Always remember you are the one which is the highest version. It is just the differences that just be with that person. That's it. Nothing else. So thank you so much. So let us write down love statements. Write down your name and just write down I love you. Lady Diary. And when you're writing, write with that intention, with full of love that you are giving. You know, जब हम किसी से प्यार करते हैं तो हम love letter लिखते हैं ना, तो you are writing love letter to yourself with that emotion. Once you complete it, just write down done. Right. So now it's time to do little bit meditation. The meditation that we are doing is Om. Om is a formation of A, U and M. और ओम एक ऐसा शब्द है जो बोलते टाइम हमारी जीभ कहीं भी हमारे माउथ में कहीं को टच नहीं करती है. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा, मतलब जिससे सबसे बड़ा मंत्र जिसे कहते हैं, वो ये छोटा सा वर्ड ओम है, विच इज अ कंप्लीट यूनिवर्स. इससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. जो ये ब्लैक मैजिक होते हैं, ये सारी चीजें, सब लोग ओम से डरते हैं. अगर आप किसी के घर भी जाते हो, जैसे कोई कुछ खिला देता है या कुछ होता है, तो मैंने जैसे आपको पहले भी बताया था, whenever you're drinking water in somebody's house, because they do some kind of magic or something of that kind, so you just एक फूंक मारनी है पानी में, ओम ओम बोलना है, तो उस किसी का कोई भी चीज उसका तोड़ ओम है. ओम के अंदर इतनी पावर है, मैं बता नहीं सकती. एंड दिस ओम, ये हम जो ओम मेडिटेशन करेंगे, ये ओम मेडिटेशन है सदगुरु जी ने इतना ब्यूटीफुली ये किया है. वी विल स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस थिंग एंड देन वी कैन प्रैक्टिस कि इसको हम बार बार, जब हम आगे समझ आ जाएगा आपको कैसे करना है, then we can practice for many more times. But this is beautiful. So I'm going to start. Just take a comfortable place and
to create highly engaging professional doodle videos.
as follow the instructions what he is giving. और कुछ नहीं करना, जैसे वो फ्लो में करते जा रहे हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही करते जाना है. कई बार माइंड लगेगा, कई बार नहीं लगेगा, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ये मत सोचना कि मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ या गलत कर रही हूँ, कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट ही इज डूइंग.
Sit in a cross-legged posture. Place your palms facing upward upon your thighs.
Preferably, क्या होता है, when you get up in the morning, the first thing that is most important is, as our body is made up of 5 elements, so it is very very important कि वो अर्थिंग इफेक्ट आना चाहिए. अगर आपका अर्थिंग इफेक्ट आएगा, अर्थिंग इफेक्ट का मतलब होता है व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द फ्लोर एंड जैसे क्रॉस लेग्स बता रहे हैं वैसे करके, तो दैट गिव्स पावर टू योर रूट चक्रा. रूट चक्रा इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर कॉन्फिडेंस, फॉर योर टेकिंग एक्शंस, फॉर एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू. आपको अगर आपने ये थरली कर लिया, आपको किसी से कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर विल बी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस व्हेन यू डू इट. एंड आई वुड रिकमेंड, चलो आज ऐसे कर लेते हैं, कल से अपने फ्लोर के ऊपर अगर आप रेड कलर का एक कोई टॉवल या कपड़ा बिछा के उसके ऊपर बैठ के अगर आप ये मेडिटेशन करते हो, इट गिव यू मोर इफेक्ट बिकॉज रूट चक्रा is that you are giving strength to your root chakra. So root chakra को अगर strength मिलता है तो आपके confidence में strength आता है, आप जो decision लेते हो उसमें strength आता है. So that is what. So we can do it tomorrow, but today preferably ground. Otherwise आप दोनों पैर ground पे रख के करोगे, मतलब आप हवा में नहीं होने चाहिए. You must touch the ground when you are doing it.
Listen to the instructions carefully before you start the practice. Open your mouth wide enough and utter the sound completely exhaling into the sound. We'll do this 7 times. Then shape your lips in the form of a circle and utter the sound. Completely exhaling into the sound. We'll do this 7 times. Then, by closing your mouth, utter the sound. You utter the sound 7 times. As you do this, notice where the reverberations are happening, in which region of the body. Sound generates reverberations around your navel. Sound oo at the point where the rib cage meets, and sound will center around the pit of your throat. Now let us do it together. Keep your palms facing upward, your spine comfortably erect. Please close your eyes. Take your own time. Take your own time. Slowly, very slowly, open your eyes.
Open your eyes, rub your hands, put it on your face. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Why we have done this meditation is to balance our chakras. Basically 3 chakras को इसने balance किया, हमारे navel chakra को, हमारे solar plexus को और हमारे throat chakra को. Means आज हम जो भी बोलें, आज जो भी सोचें और जो भी करें, it has to be sync. They all have to be in sync. So that is why this actually synchronizes the whole body. And when you are sitting on the floor or you're touching the floor, you are activating your root chakra as well. So always remember when we are doing meditation or something, preferably floor पे बैठ के किया जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. Great. So let us. So how you're feeling? Put it on the chat box. कैसा लग रहा है? And you can unmute and you can say that also. Wow, very nice. Great. It's an amazing experience, you know, early in the morning when you do this. And this is a beautiful meditation. And there is one more beautiful meditation, that is AHA meditation. That is also very, very
It is making me feel little light from inside.
Yes. So basically it is working on throat chakra. Whatever we speak, it has to be sensible. हम किसी को गलत language ना बोले, कुछ ना करें. So we are creating our throat right in the morning, that throat chakra. Solar plexus, no hard feelings for anybody. So we are creating that. Navel chakra, whatever. Because navel chakra is the chakra where the whole body is connected. How? जब baby पैदा होता है तो umbilical cord वो navel से ही connected होती है. आपका पूरा body का system वहीं से connected है. So everything is operated in our body through the navel chakra. So such an important chakra that is. If it is balanced, the whole body is balanced. और किसी का कोई pain होता है, कुछ होता है, when you do this meditation, that also goes away. Great. So let us.
अगर ये पूरा ओम शब्द है ये,
हाँ, yes.
because
अभी
divided
मैं
into
स्टार्टिंग
three
में
parts.
अ, उ और म करा रही हूँ. अब आगे जब हमारे को थोड़ा सा समझ आ जाएगा, then we'll do पूरा ओम एक साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. पहले ये प्रैक्टिस कर लें, क्योंकि ये प्रैक्टिस है. You are inhaling and when you are exhaling, you are saying so अब इसके बाद जो हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे म भी नहीं बोलते, तो तीनों ओम एक साथ आ जाता है. सो टू इसीलिए जब आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है तो यू डू दिस मेडिटेशन. इसके बाद सदगुरु जी का सेम ही है, which is 21 times. We'll do later. First ये समझ आ जाए, then we'll go ahead with that. And then there is one more meditation that is by Van Dyer, which is recommended by Dr. Pillai. That is AHA meditation. It's a beautiful meditation for creating your dreams, for creating or manifesting anything along with the affirmations. तो इसके बाद we will do that. एक दिन वो करेंगे, एक दिन वो करेंगे. So that is how we will go ahead with. Then अब हमारे को करना मेडिटेशन हो गया. अब हमने करना है abundance of money. Okay. So what we have to do is okay, now we can write the goal. Now we know the goals, what our goals are. We can take the copy, we can start writing the goals, whatever goals we have. If you have any concern or something about the goal, you can ask. But आप अपने goals लिखने शुरू करो. What major 3 goals you want to achieve? Just write it in your copies. Make sure that you are very much clear about your goals, what you really want to. और एक गोल जो आपका मेन है, जिसका हमने गोल्ड कार्ड बनाना है, यानी जिसको हम गोल्ड कार्ड की जब करें मैजिक कार्ड बनाना है. सो राइट डाउन मैजिक कार्ड ऊपर, और उसका अपना गोल येलो, प्रेफरेबली कार्ड शुड बी ऑफ रेड, येलो कलर विद रेड पेन. हाथ से लिखो ज्यादा बेटर है, प्रिंटेड नहीं चाहिए मुझे, हाथ से लिखो ज्यादा बेटर है. एंड कोई पिक्चर जो कि उससे रेलेवेंट हो, वो पिक्चर भी पेस्ट कर सकते हो. बट अभी लॉकडाउन है, इतना नहीं कर सकते, दैट्स ओके. बट इतना छोटा सा कार्ड विच यू कैन कैरी इन योर पर्स, विच यू कैन पुट इट समवेयर, यू कैन सी इट एवरी डे, बिकॉज दैट ड्रीम इज अलाइव द होल डे इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो दैट कार्ड हैज टू बी देयर. सो दैट इज योर कार्ड. गुड मॉर्निंग ललिता. आज नितेश नहीं आया. चलो, एनीवे, जस्ट स्टार्ट राइटिंग गोल्स. Writing goal is very, very important, because लिखने से when we do everything using our all 5 senses, it is manifested faster. So when you are writing, your intention needs to be there, your feeling needs to be there, your writing is there, you are looking into this also, start visualizing also when you are writing and this is happening. All 5 senses are put into this, or 5 elements are put into this, the things will automatically happen. And you'll start with thank you, thank you, thank you.
Can we mention the period, ma'am?
या प्लीज, अगर आप कोई टारगेट देना चाहते हो आप देख सकते हो कुछ.
Okay.
Ma'am, how many dreams I have to write?
राइट डाउन, आप 3 मिनिमम 3 तो लिखोगे. इफ यू हैव डन जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. एवरीबॉडी इज रिटन. या हर्षिता, मैजिक कार्ड यू हैव टू क्रिएट. Done? Great. So now what we are going to do is we are going to visualize these dreams as if that they are, और आप उस दुनिया में पहुंच जाओ जिस दुनिया में ये सच हो गया है. You just close your eyes. So let us, all of you have written. So let us sit calmly, close your eyes, and you fold your hands like this. And the most important thing is turn your tongue को ऊपर, हम हिंदी में तालू कहते हैं, I don't know what it is called. You turn your tongue and touch on the top. So what happens is, so when you touch it, so you are creating a complete system of your body. That is, और उसको टंग को टच करके fold it and then start visualizing. When we are dreaming for 3 dreams, तो हम ये देखेंगे. First, we will visualize, we'll go to one room first of all. In that room, okay, I'll give the instructions, then we can go ahead. Just fold your hands and fold your tongue inside your mouth. Visualize, start visualizing there is a golden light which is coming from the sun, and it is showing you the path. You are just moving forward with 5 steps you will move into a room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Along with the light, you're moving into the room. You open the door and see your dream is true. Visualize it is true. It is happening. Now live your dream. It is happening. See the color, see the room, see the people around you. It is happening. You're so happy. To whom you're talking to whom you're sharing with. What are you wearing? What are they wearing? What colors you can see? Everybody is appreciating you. Slowly and steadily, you're moving ahead. There is a door over there. You open the door, you move in. You have come to the second room. Wow, your second dream is true. It is happening. See to whom you are talking to. See what is happening. You are so happy. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for giving me this moment. Take 5 steps. Move into the third room. You can see the door. Just go into the third room. The golden light is there. Wow, your third dream is fulfilled. It is happening. You're living it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much. You're so happy. Everybody's happy. Wow. You're on top of the world. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Take a deep breath. You can unfold your tongue. Take a deep breath. Take deep breaths. Rub your hands. Open your eyes. How are you feeling?
I remembered one song I dedicated to you.
Okay.
Really. वो है ना, एक दिन आप यूं हमसे मिल जाएंगे, झूमेगा आसमां, झूम गाएगी ये ज़मीं, ऐसे सोचा ना था.
Wow. Wow.
That day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So let us put this powerful belief into our mind so that it happens. Usually हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोग जब सर के साथ करते थे, अनमोल सर के साथ वो सेलिब्रेशन का सॉन्ग लगा के हम डांस करते हैं. पर मुझे लगता है कि ये हमने मेडिटेशन करके we have lived these moments. So let us put it into our beliefs, you know, कि this has happened and this is there. So let us start with it. And whatever we are doing with full of intention, we need to do. Right? With full passion, with full energy, with full power, we'll do this. Great. So, shake your body, shake your body. I love myself. Shake your body, shake your body. I love myself. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better, better, and better. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better, better, and better. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. And my mind works like a supercomputer. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. My mind works like a supercomputer. I easily understand and retain what I learn. I easily understand and retain what I learn. I have a sharp, focused, and powerful memory. I have a sharp, focused, and powerful memory. I have a perfect memory and I can recall with ease. I have a perfect memory and I can recall with ease. Every day I am becoming stronger and healthier. Every day I am becoming stronger and healthier. I am in charge of my emotions, desires, and whatever I do. I am in charge of my emotions, desires, and abilities, whatever I do. I focus only on success. I focus only on success. I am creating life of abundance and happiness. I am creating a life of abundance and happiness. I'm competent, I'm smart, I'm capable. I'm confident, I'm competent, I'm smart, and I'm capable. My life is filled with joy and abundance. My life is filled with joy and abundance. Change happens. Change happens in matter of minutes. I create and I drive the change by my will. Change happens in matter of minutes. I create and drive change by my will. With every breath, I inhale abundance, happiness, love, health, feeling, joy, and light of God. God's light is filling in my body, in my life, now, now, now. Every cell, tissue, nerve, organ, chakra, systems of my body is getting whole and healthy. And my body is being restored in a perfect health. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happiness needs no reason. Happiness needs no reason. I'm happy without any reason. Happiness needs no reason. I'm happy without any reason. My intentions, thoughts, emotions, and actions are creating my destiny. My intentions, thoughts, emotions, actions are creating my destiny. I'm here to serve God. I'm here to serve people. I'm here to serve everyone in the universe. I'm here to serve God. I'm here to serve nature. I'm here to serve people. I'm here to serve nature. With God's blessings, my income, my wealth is increasing day by day. With God's blessings, my income and my wealth is increasing day by day. I am a multimillionaire person. I am a multimillionaire person. I am a magnet. I am a money magnet. I am a wonderful money manager. I am a wonderful money manager. Money comes to me with ease. It comes to me with ease. And it is getting restored into my subconscious mind. Yes, 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 yes. I am the winner of my life. Yes, I am the winner of my life. Yes, I am the winner of my life. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. And when you are a winner of your life, like a champion, जब अब हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं कुछ जब जीत जाते हैं हम क्या करते हैं yes दोनों हाथों से. So we'll do and we'll give yes to the God that we are the winner of our life. So we can do it 3 times. Let us do it. Come on. Yes, I'm the winner of my life. Yes, I'm the winner of my life. Yes, I'm the winner of my life. Yes. How you're feeling? Great. Great.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Anything else that we need to say? So this is how we do. And now the next thing is to-do list. आज हमने क्या-क्या काम करने हैं? You can write it down and you create that intention, because when we do morning rituals, morning में ही हम एक intention बना के चल लेते हैं कि we are creating the intention of being successful the whole day. Whether we eat, whether we do whatever we do, we are successful. The intention is created right in the morning. So create that intention. So write it down. You can create anything. Successful, you can create happiness, you can create joyful day, whatever you want to. And कोई important meetings हैं या कुछ है जो आपकी हैं, उसके लिए भी create करो that a magnificent outcome of that is this. So आपका जैसे दीदी आपका पार्लर है तो आप लिख सकते हो the magnificent outcome of today's day. Each and every customer is happy and full of life, and just give gratitude to each and everybody.
इस कॉपी में लिखना है ये gratitude में.
लिख लो. आज का today's intention, अपना intention लिखो और आज के लिए लिखो कि कोई भी कस्टमर आए तो they should be fully satisfied and should be very happy and joyful. Those who want to leave, they can leave. जो आज के काम करने हैं वो सारे लिख लो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू राइट यू जस्ट राइट डाउन मैजिकल टू डू लिस्ट. जब आप मैजिक लगा देते हो किसी चीज के साथ भी एंड यू से कि आज मुझे ये काम करने हैं, नो मैटर व्हाट, वो काम होंगे ही होंगे. सो जस्ट पुट इट ओवर देयर इन राइटिंग, ये मुझे आज काम करने हैं कंप्लीट. सो माय इंटेंशन इज दैट आई एम कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड इन डूइंग माय डेली टास्क्स. If you're finished, you can say write down done. So thank you so much. Have a magical day and we'll meet in the evening. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. You take care. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.